complete bullshit lie. That is not an asset. You are getting a loan, you're getting a cash advance to put money down, then to acquire a loan so you qualify for the loan for the house. That's just doubling down on debt. You are literally digging a deep ass grave. It is insane. What's up, guys? Based on the story you guys probably saw from this morning, right here, man reveals best credit card hacks no one knows. And this is on Success Owner, the page on Instagram with 1.6 million followers. This is important, okay? Because this is absolute fucking garbage. You guys ready?
Credit cards out there, guys. Like Bank of America, for example, I know does this. You can go ahead, get the credit card, and transfer the credit card limit over to your checkings account in hard cash. Yes, they charge you a transaction fee, but it's not that much. It's like 4% or something like that. 4%. So you can go ahead and get like 50K cash, okay? You get 48K of it because after the transaction fees, whatever. You get like 18 months to pay interest-free where you can use that money. Let's say you take that 50K, use it as capital, invest it into real estate property. Now you control that asset with none of your own money while simultaneously getting a bank loan. All right, you go ahead, you take that capital, get the loan from the bank, put a down payment on a house, buy the house. Now you control that asset. You have 18 months to pay it back because remember, the house, 18 months is going to be growing up in value. You're going to be collecting cash flow. You're going to be making money and saving money at the same time. And you're getting a tax benefit.
Holy shit. Don't ever subscribe to this channel. Don't listen to anything, whoever the fuck that was talking about anything. That is the worst advice I've ever heard. First of all, it's not transferring a credit card limit. It's called a cash advance. Google it. Cash advances, maybe 3 to 5. Most cards are usually 10%. Cash advances of a credit limit on a card is not OEM. It's not other people's money. That's money you have to pay back. It's on your credit and you're liable for it. Understand, this is incredibly fundamental. It is not regular credit card purchases where you get your points and perks. It's a cash advance. Cash advances are literally designed as a vehicle the credit card companies allow for emergencies only. Foreign affair issues, traveling, cash immediately in foreign currency, that's what a cash advance is for. That's insane. Don't ever do it because this is another thing. The whole, like, say it was a new card. It happens all the time. You see that you do get perks on new cards, especially if it's a good limit and it's a reserve premium one card capital and venture. You might get 12 months up to 18 months 0% interest processing. Understand, for purchases, 99.9% of credit cards and credit card companies do not do that on cash advances. That's not a fucking thing. So most people who think they can do this are gonna get nipped in the ass in the first 30 days. So don't do it. Absolutely don't fucking do it. That advice is horrible. Cash advances are expensive, yes. Also, the terms and conditions versus purchases versus cash advance on cards are very different because it's not meant to be a normal product or vehicle that you use with your credit card, okay? So usually those perks with a new card for the 0% interest for X amount of months does not apply to cash advances. So if you were to pull all that money off, and I don't know what he's talking about, 3 to 4 or 5%. That's just the fee. All right. Most cards, most credit cards, even premium credit cards, annual percentage rates are usually between 11 and 29%, depending on the card. Premium cards, upper tier cards can be as down as 11.9% annual. Now that accrues monthly. If you pulled, say, $48,000 off that, they would not be free interest for 18 months because that's not how it works on a cash advance, okay? And so you would be paying anywhere from 11 to 29% on that every month, and then you'd be super fucked. Not to mention, if you did a cash advance through your bank, you probably, what he's saying is then you then get a bank loan using that. So essentially what he's trying to say is that you're using a cash advance, which is a crazy risky, high cost, like access to capital at a very short term to put money down on a house. First of all, he says asset, you control an asset. Fuck no. Like, again, complete bullshit lie. That is not an asset. You are getting a loan, you're getting a cash advance to put money down, then to acquire a loan so you qualify for the loan for the house. That's just doubling down on debt. You are literally digging a deep ass grave. It is insane. Do not do that. Again, just like I said in the story too, like the chance that you're going to do a real estate deal that is going to occur that much equity in 18 months or 12 months and that much net gain from, say, a rental without anything, including closing costs, fees, insurance, probably HOA. Like, there are so many things that these guys on these entrepreneurs and financial gurus don't fucking talk about and have no fucking idea. I don't know how that got reposted on a success owners page with 1.6 million followers, but it's complete fucking bullshit. Straight up. Like, do not do that. Do not listen to that advice. That shit is not real, okay? I hard facts know that, okay? Hard facts, why? Because I'm an individual that went from 4 years ago practically being homeless from breaking my back, working as a contractor and not having good workers' comp and having to practically be homeless in a wheelchair to where I'm at now with controlling over $3 million worth of my own assets and having access to over $375,000 in open line of credit. Over I think it's like 5 accounts. And I have those paid and I have availability. Or how would else I be able to open San Antonio and fill 30,000 feet of a gym? Like, that's how you do it.